In Touch Designer, you can create these types of video displacements using time warping operator, and I'll show you how. First, use a movie file in to bring in a video. The effect works best if you use an image that is rotating. Now create an info chop and reference the movie file in to read the video duration in frames. In the info chop, filter the scope to length, and you will see the total duration of the video. Connect the video to a texture 3D, change the type to 2D texture array, and enable the pre-fill option. Next, reference the length values inside the cache size parameter. Create a time machine top and again reference the length in the black offset, but multiply it by -1. Now for the second part, create a pattern chop, select random, and leave the rest as is. Connect the pattern to a hold chop, and in the second input of the hold, connect a button. Set the button to momentary, so that the effect activates every time you press it. Now create a second pattern chop, use random per cycle, and change the number of cycles to 12. Reference the hold value in the seed parameter of this second pattern. Connect a shuffle chop and select the swap channels and samples option. Now connect a lag chop. You can experiment with different values. I use 0.25 for both parameters. Finally, transform these values into textures using a chop to top. If you like, change the output aspect to custom aspect so you can clearly see what is happening with each value. Connect this to the second input of the time machine. Go back to the button you created at the beginning and test that the entire network is working correctly. Let me know in the comments if you'd like the full YouTube tutorial with more details.